First, I will point out that this process works if you are using iPhone or Android, doesn't matter. First, you need to log into your Instagram and log on that account that you want to see old mentions on Instagram stories. If you come on the last option right here, you will come to your profile. Then you can see old mentions on your highlights if you added the story to your highlights, okay? Or you can also use an option that is very useful. You can come on this, at the top right corner, there's three lines, and you will see right here, archive. Below your activity archive, come right here. Then you need to come at the top right corner of these three dots, click on settings. Then I need to turn on this option, save story to archive. This option will automatically save your story to your archive, so you don't have to save it to your phone. You can see right here that I have all my stories, iStories that I post on this Instagram account. Okay, so after you turn on this option, you be able to see your old mentions. If you deactivate it, you will be able to see your old mentions from now on, okay? And that's it. You see your old mentions on Instagram stories.